It is given in this question that a fruit vendor purchased 80 apples, right, of which 15 got rotten, and we need to find out the discount which he must give after marking all the remaining apples by 40%, so that the overall profit is of 10% approximately, right? So we can assume like that each apple costed him 1 rupee, like, so 80 apples he got for rupees 80, okay, and 15 of the apples got rotten, so 65 apples can be sold, okay. So it is also given like he has marked the remaining apples by 40%, right? So if on marking them up by 40%, we can find out like for each apple, if it's costed 1 rupee, then after marking up by 40%, then the overall cost should be 1.4 per apple. This is the mark price, okay. So and he needs to give a discount so that overall profit should be 10%, right? Discount formula, what is the discount formula? Discount percentage, it is equals to MSP minus SP, that is the selling price, upon MSP. So from this we can find out, we get right, MSP 1 minus T is equals to SP, okay. So if I put in the values, right, so MSP 1 minus T SP, and we need 10% profit, right? So initially if we paid rupees 80, 10% of 80 is 8, right? So overall selling price should be 88, right? So SP I can substitute for 88, MSP which I can find by 1.4 to 65, because rest 15 apples got rotten, and 1 minus T to find out the discount, okay. And if on solving 88, 1.4, 65, what I would get here is 0.967 on solving this term, and D I would get it around 0.033, right? And if I convert back it into percentages, so discount percentage is 0.033 into 100, so 3.3%.